Dreamy. Taste.
Hey friends!
Today we are drawing a crab.
Yay!
Let's get started. We will start by drawing the crab's body. For that, start drawing a line like this. Now we will draw its big round eyes. It's time to draw its two claws. Now we will draw its legs. At last, draw a small smile. Coloring time! Crab is of red color, so we will color the whole crab red.
And it's done! Bye friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.